Welcome back to Daytech. In the last chapter, we saw how Copilot can help you find answers within your Word document. Now, let's talk about revisions. Whether you're drafting reports, proposals, or even simple emails, writing often requires refinement. Copilot can assist by suggesting ways to improve your content, making it clearer, more concise, and more engaging. In this chapter, we'll show you how to use Copilot to revise your work with ease. Hit the subscribe button and check out the written guide in the description below before we get started so you can follow along step by step. Let's get started. Imagine you have written a draft but something feels off. Maybe a paragraph doesn't flow well or a sentence is unclear. Instead of struggling with the revisions, Copilot can step in to help improve the clarity and flow of your writing. Copilot not only identifies awkward phrasing but also suggests ways to tighten up your language, making your content more professional. Here's how you can use Copilot to revise and polish your writing. First, identify the section of your document that needs improvement. For example, let's say you have written the following paragraph in a business report. This paragraph is a bit vague and could benefit from more clarity and precision. So let's highlight the text you want to improve and ask Copilot to revise for clarity. Click on the Copilot icon beside the text or in the Word toolbar. In the Copilot command box, type "Revise this section for clarity." Copilot will analyze the text and suggest improvements to make it clearer and more well explained. For example, it might generate this revised version. Maybe clarity isn't the issue and you just want the content to sound more engaging or concise. For example, let's say you have the following paragraph. This paragraph feels long and repetitive. You can ask Copilot to make it more concise. Simply highlight the paragraph and ask Copilot to shorten this paragraph. Copilot will revise it to something like this. Now the sentence is more concise and to the point, eliminating any unnecessary words. So here's a quick pro tip. Copilot isn't just limited to clarity or conciseness. You can also ask it to refine the tone of your writing. For example, if a section of your report is too formal or not engaging enough, you can prompt Copilot to make the section more engaging or change the tone to casual. This feature is especially useful when you are writing for different audiences, such as switching between formal business communication and more casual internal updates. Let's quickly review the key benefits of using Copilot for revising your writing. Clarity and precision. Copilot improves the flow of your writing, making it easier to read and understand. Conciseness. Long-winded sentences are shortened, allowing for a more direct and professional tone. Engagement. Copilot can help make your content more compelling and suited to your audience. Efficiency. It saves you the time and effort of revising manually by suggesting instant improvements. And that's how you can use Copilot to revise and improve your writing in Word. Whether it's fine-tuning paragraphs, adjusting tone, or making your content clearer and more engaging, Copilot makes the revision process faster and more efficient. In the next chapter, we'll take things a step further by exploring how to create output artifacts with Copilot, like crafting emails, generating summaries, or producing reports, all based on the content you have already written. This feature is a real time saver, especially when you need to quickly communicate key information. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.